Earning money on YouTube involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. Create a YouTube account. If you don't already have a Google account, create one. You can use this account to set up your YouTube channel. Create and customize your channel. Go to YouTube and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Create a Channel and follow the instructions to set up your channel. Customize your channel with a profile picture, banner, and other relevant information. Choose a niche. Decide on the type of content you want to create. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has an audience. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing. Your videos should be visually and audibly appealing. Create content that is valuable, engaging, and unique. Upload regularly. Consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and interested. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search engine optimization, SEO, and make your videos more discoverable. Enable monetization. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. This includes having more than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Connect your channel to an AdSense account to start earning money from ads. Explore different monetization options. Ads. Earn money through ads that play before, during, or after your videos. Ad revenue is shared between YouTube and the content creator. Channel memberships. Offer channel memberships for a monthly fee, providing perks like badges, emojis, and exclusive content to paying members. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Enable fans to purchase Super Chats and Super Stickers during live streams, allowing their messages to stand out. Merchandise shelf. Sell your own merchandise directly from your YouTube channel using the Merchandise Shelf feature. YouTube Premium Revenue. Earn a share of the revenue generated from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Partner with brands for sponsored content or use affiliate marketing to promote products or services in your videos. You earn a commission for every sale or click generated through your affiliate link. Study analytics. Use YouTube analytics to understand your audience, track performance, and identify trends. Adjust your content strategy based on the data to optimize your channel's growth. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and effort. Focus on creating content that adds value to your audience. Be patient and stay committed to growing your channel over the long term.